Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can stop Google Chrome from closing itself. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the This PC application on your device to access your system's drives. Navigate to the Windows disk partition where your operating system is installed. From there, go into the Program Files directory. Look for the folder labeled Google and open it. Inside, you'll find the Chrome folder. Enter the application folder within the Chrome directory. Now, locate the Chrome application file. It usually has the name Chrome. Right-click on it and select Rename. Change its name to something like Chrome 1 and press Enter. This step ensures that we can create a new shortcut without conflicting with the existing Chrome application. Next, right-click on the renamed Chrome application, click on Send to, and select Create Shortcut. This shortcut will be placed on your desktop for easy access. Now, double-click on the shortcut to run Chrome. This action bypasses any automatic closure issues you might have experienced. Once Chrome is running smoothly through the shortcut, close it. Return to the File Explorer window where you rename the Chrome application. Right-click on the Chrome 1 application and select Rename. Change its name back to the original name. By following these steps, you've effectively prevented Google Chrome from closing itself unexpectedly. So that's basically how you can stop Google Chrome from closing itself. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.